the major people in this Anioma land that are saying that if Anioma State joins the Southeast, that they will no longer be benefiting from NDDC are Okwane people. When those set of Okwane people hear Niger Delta, they believe that Niger Delta is only South states. So many other people in Nigeria, they believe that the word Niger Delta is only for states in the South. But these people don't know that Imo State and Abia States are part of Niger Delta states. The Nigeria system made us to believe that oil-producing states are called Niger Delta states. Those who are the people that feel that if Anioma State is being created and zoned to the Southeast, that Anioma will not be benefiting from NDDC because joining the Southeast now makes them not part of NDDC, should know that Imo State and Abia State are part of Niger Delta. So, Niger Delta is not only those states in the South. Anambra State government is pushing to make sure that Anambra State becomes part of Niger Delta states because it's oil producing, but they never add them. If Anioma State is being created and zoned to the Southeast, Anioma will be a Niger Delta state because Anioma is an oil-producing state. If Anioma leave Delta State, that is a Niger Delta state, wetin come make you feel say if Anioma dey part of Southeast, say e no go still remain Niger Delta state? Urhobo land too get oil, Urhobo get crude oil, Ewo dey get crude oil. Okwane land get crude oil pass Urhobo land. Go and verify. The reason why we say Urhobo is very rich is simply because they so much into the politics of Delta states. Okwane land is so poor because Okwane politicians, they don't know their left to right. They are just there using Okwane people to play politics. Okwane land gets crude oil past Urhobo land. But Okwane land is backward. If we get Anioma State will be part of NDDC. Everything where NDDC they offer Niger Delta states, Anioma State go dey benefit from that thing. Now just geopolitical zoning, 2 states in the Southeast are Niger Delta states. If Anioma joins Southeast, then 3 states from the Southeast will be part of Niger Delta states. Those kind of people they talk say if Anioma State join Southeast, say they're not going to benefit from NDDC again. Say because of that, they don't want to make Anioma State join Southeast. Make una know say states from the Southeast are part of Niger Delta states. Imo State and Abia States. They are Niger Delta states. Imo State has the biggest gas reserve in Africa. Imo State, where you see so, they get enough crude oil wells. They get so many gas reserve. Now they be highest for Africa. So those are all kind of people they talk about this and say they don't want to join Southeast because of NDDC matter. Make una they make research. This is the problem of Okwane people. So many of them don't make research. If they hear haters of Fundiboto say, hey, Anioma people, make una not join Southeast because of NDDC. If una join Southeast, una not go be part of Niger Delta again. This, that, they go believe the propaganda because so many of them not they make research. NDDC, are Okwane people benefiting from the NDDC? No. We they benefit from NDDC and Okwane land they so backward. Your problem na NDDC and not having your own states. Just imagine NDDC that we Okwane people are not benefiting from. Now some Okwane people they kill themselves. They thought say if they join Southeast, say Okwane land not they benefit from NDDC again. Say Okwane land don't come out from Niger Delta communities. That one is the only reason why you don't want Anioma State to join Southeast. I don't know how some people take the reason for this life. NDDC is your problem. Okwane land done dey for more than 20 years. Okwane land not get lights. Okwane people go protest that day. Nigeria police start to shoot them gun. They shoot them tear gas. The bikes of so many Okwane people were burnt. Bullets touched so many people. The deputy governor of Delta State from Okwane land called Monday Oyeme. He talk say those Okwane people that are protesting that Okwane land don't have lights are making noise. Your people go protest, say they don't get light, they shoot them gun. The only thing you have to say is that your people are making noise for protesting. Okwan not get federal university, no state university, no state polytechnic, no federal polytechnic. State and federal government's presence not there for Okwane land. Okwane land is the most backward Igbo region in Delta states. Upon say Okwane land na oil producing region, they are still backward. The problem of some Okwane people na NDDC that you are not benefiting from. So now the reason why make some Okwane people they say they don't want to join Southeast, instead of thinking of how to get Anioma State, how Anioma will have 3 senators, 6 House of Reps members, so many local government chairmen, how government go take day closer to Anioma people. No be that one that they think of NDDC where they know they benefit from. You go to make argument, you know, go make research, so that when you are making an argument, people go reason out and say yes, so this person get points. How can the person go they talk say, if Anioma State join Southeast, we not get the benefits from NDDC again. Abia and Imo State are part of Niger Delta states. If Anioma State joins the Southeast, Anioma State will be part of Niger Delta. Anioma State will be benefiting from NDDC. Abia State they benefit from NDDC. Imo State they benefit from NDDC. Anioma State will also be benefiting from NDDC. Anioma people are oil producing people in the South. If they join the Southeast, they are still oil producing people. They're part of NDDC for South. If they join Southeast, they go still be part of NDDC. Some people go to say, the Southeast want Anioma State to join them so that they will be benefiting from our resources. Resources where you Okwane person not they benefit from. Resources where we say we Okwane people not they benefit from that resources. Now you go see someone that they come they say they want us because of our resources. Come out crude oil from Okwane land. Okwane people have nothing to offer. We Okwane people will not go fit even offer ourselves anything. What do we Okwane people they do? Government give us hunger 1 kill us. Government give us government biko go Southeast. They are not the ask government for anything. Go Anambra State, make you see business-minded Igbo people. Go Enugu State, go Ebonyi State, go Abia, go Imo. Make you see how these our Igbo brothers are hustling, making money. Igbo is the richest ethnic group in Africa. Now because of our Igbo brothers for the Southeast. If not, they know they count Anioma join. Business Anioma people not follow. Development Anioma people not follow. We not fit develop our place. Crude oil, and when the crude oil, fiaku no kwane. What are we Ukwane people doing with the crude oil in our land? Nothing. Are we benefiting from it? No. But instead, you will see some of them come online. Southeast people want us because of our crude oil. Leave our crude oil alone. You don't love us. You love our crude oil. Who tell you say Southeast don't get crude oil? All Southeast states get crude oil and gas. Go and verify. Enugu State get crude oil and gas. Ebonyi State gets. Abia gets. Imo gets. Anambra gets. So, they don't need your resources. Come out crude oil from Igbo land. Igbo people go survive. Ndị Igbo don't need crude oil and gas to survive. Ndị Igbo na agba mbọ. Kpa ego, bie ndụ, libe ife, a na-eli ife. Come Okwane land make you see how poverty dey for Okwane land. Because the system don't program Okwane people. All they know how to do now is government give us. During the Biafra War, Igbo land was destroyed. Today, they are the richest ethnic group in Africa. Not just the richest, the wealthiest ethnic group in Africa. For Nigeria, Igbo get money pass. For Africa, I don't get money pass. Richest and wealthiest black race na Igbo. As the report say Igbo na the richest and wealthiest black race. Waiting Okwane people they contribute nothing. Anioma land Okwane is poor. Delta State Okwane is poor. South Okwane is poor. Niger Delta Okwane is poor. Nigeria Okwane is poor. Africa Okwane is poor. Some Okwane people go to say, Nelo na Okwane. I am telling people what is happening in Okwane land. So many Okwane people, they wake up with all these things while they talk. So because They are not saying are true. Which one person go talk all this thing while they talk na lie? Which one person will come and talk say this thing where they talk so na lie? All some people know how to do is I happen Dibo, Salina and here. We don't want Anioma State instead of us to join Southeast. Make we dey for South they suffer. Mindset of a failure. Now only failure the reason like that. Instead of you to join people where all of them they speak the same language, people all of them get the same cultural tradition, you say no. Say you one day for Delta states. Urobo people dey there they agitate, see they won't get Urobo state too. S and they agitate, see they won't get S and state too. So many people for South they agitate for state. You think say if slots for South come and say these people go give you their slots for you to get Anioma State today for South, they will never allow such a thing to happen. They will tell you that your brothers in the Southeast gave you their slot to join them. You said no. Make you go and collect their own slot. They're not going to agree. Now, why we dey here they tell them all these things? Make una start to the reason. Stop making baseless arguments. Arguments will not get direction. NDDC. Are you benefiting from NDDC? No. Our crew there. Our crew there. Are you benefiting from the crew there? No. We Okwane people, we need a state. Ika people need a state. Oshimili people need a state. Anyocha people need a state. Person where be say in region they backward. As they talk of Anioma State, the person supposed grab am. Stop talking about geopolitical zoning. There no one zone you go northern Nigeria. Southeast is the most peaceful geopolitical zone in Nigeria. If we get Anioma State, now our brothers for Southeast go to control our resources, no. Now there go be our governor, no. Now there go be our senator, no. Now we Anioma people go to run our states. Every position where they for this Anioma land, now Anioma people go occupy am. How our brothers for Southeast go can't take the rulers for Anioma land? Una go hear propaganda, una no go take una brain reason to know say this thing a lie. Okwane people wake up and support Anioma State creation. Make we get Anioma State, make Okwane land better. Okwane people stop believing in propaganda and lies. If Anioma State becomes part of the Southeast, Anioma State will be part of Niger Delta states. Anioma State will be benefiting from NDDC. We Anioma people are Igbo people. Igbo Bufu. Ishewale.